Hi, I'm Chris. Man, I'm getting baptized because I was born and raised Christian, but my teenage years I kind of had a rocky childhood and had a lot of anger and misconceptions towards God. I was one of the flock that didn't just turn my back on God and walk away. I took off in a full-blown sprint, and I was selfish, self-centered, egotistical. Lived a gluttonous and hedonistic life for the last 14 years. Was addicted to drugs and alcohol, and was heavily involved in the occult and practiced witchcraft. And God was just waiting for me to open my blind eyes just a little bit. And when I did, He revealed Himself to me and has made His loving kindness and His presence absolutely known in my life. This is my way of accepting Jesus and also telling Satan that I'm no longer a slave to his mad realm.
That's awesome.